Welcome to Tutorials Hub Tally. Today we will learn about how to split company data and moving to the next financial year. Before splitting the data, the verify feature automatically detects any errors in the data and allows you to correct them quickly. Go to the gateway of Tally, press Alt plus Y, select Split, select Verify Data to open the Verify Company Data screen. Select the required company and press Enter to proceed. If there are any errors, the list of errors screen will appear where you can correct the errors easily. For splitting company data, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, press Alt plus Y, select Split, select Split Data to open the Split Company Data screen. Select the required company from the list of companies. Enter the required date in the Split From field and press Enter to proceed. The split from date is considered as the beginning of the current financial year. Once the company data is split, two separate companies will be created without affecting the original data. If required, you can rename these companies and also record entries or alter any data. You can quickly start new books of accounts with existing company masters for new financial year by following the steps. You can just change the period and you are ready to start new financial year bookkeeping. When your books of account is pending to be finalized or audited, which might happen later on impacting modification of balances or closing balances that can be easily updated with this process. To move your data to the new financial year, change the current period to continue the voucher entry in the same company data, to carry forward all ledger balances without creating a new company, to compare the reports from different financial years. Now to change the current period, go to the gateway of Tally, press Alt plus F2 and enter the dates. The current period appears as shown in the screen. When the current period is changed, the balances from the previous financial year are carried forward. You will retain the financial year beginning from and books beginning from dates in the company alteration screen. Please note, in some countries, the financial period starts from 1st Jan and ends on 31st December. You can enter 1st Jan with respective year in the From field and 31st December in the To field while changing current period in such countries. We recommend starting fresh series of voucher numbering for your new financial year by setting restart voucher numbering for all applicable voucher types used in your business from 1st April to implement a unique set of numbering for your books and manage your outstanding. You can restart the numbering of your vouchers by entering the date from which you want to restart the voucher numbers. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Create, select Voucher Type. If you select the method of voucher numbering as automatic, a voucher number is generated automatically. However, you can also manually overwrite the auto numbering when required. Set the option Prevent Duplicates to Yes to ensure unique voucher numbers. Set the option Use Advanced Configuration to Yes to open the voucher type creation screen. In the starting number field, enter 1 if you want a fresh batch of voucher numbers. Enter the restart numbering as required. Enter the prefix details and suffix details as required. Now you can easily record your transactions with a new series of voucher numbers. The sales voucher appears as shown in the screen. Thanks for watching. Please do comment what you want to see in my next topic. Please share my videos with your nearest one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.